Hello guys. So nezuro takadzidza about media, takadzidza how we can put my images mu HTML medu, takadzidza about how we can put my videos and lastly audio. And saka in this video what we want to learn how we can format our text. And ndaka clear zong HTML rangu panapa pa start write the boilerplate tichiendera mberi. So let me open my browser. We want to work with text, saka toda kutsvaga dummy text. Saka unoita sei kana uida kutsvaga dummy text kana usina text yakawanda iri musoro mako. Ukauya kubrowser kwako ukanyora kuti lorem ipsum, you can get a bunch of text that you can use. It doesn't have a meaning or whatever. It's just a dummy text. So we want to copy this. Right. Then we come here. We create our HTML. Let me do this. And then we say text or working with text. With text in HTML. This is our title today. And then we save it. Let us open it in our browser. So you see our title here. So let us put our H1 and just say text to put it a heading, something like that. Okay, now I want to put a P, which we said it's for paragraph. To vertice text head yatakopa pepe, and then this is the text. So chinja toda kutanga kudzidza is how to make our text bold. And so toda kuuya tobva this section bold. Dei kwangu ku Microsoft Word ndo paipa unongondosvika klika chipichi yakanoti highlight over whiteboard. Manje atina izvozvo kunoku zvatouya ikobva ndotsvaga bold atina. So what do? Let us put a b tag here. If we want to make our text bold in HTML, we use a b tag. B stands for bold. You see. So if we put a b tag like this, it means text irpakati pa b tag, will become bold. So let us save and see what happens. If we save, you see this text becomes bold. This is the first way of making our text bold. Then we have another way of doing so. We can use a strong tag. A strong tag? It means that we have strong text. So let us come and do it to this text. Let me just take the whole sentence and we put strong like this and we paste. You see, this text becomes bold. So the output of B and strong are the same. We end up having bold text. This is the first formatting I wanted to show you, how to make our text bold. Then to end up an H2, which is making our text italics, because remember we have in text formatting we have text, we have bold and we have italics. So how can we make it italics? We come here. I want to make this text italics. So just like we have done with B, to put a B tag for bold, we do it here. We put a what? We put an I tag for italics and we put our text. You see, this text now becomes what? Becomes italics. That's how we make our text italics. Tinoisa in between an I tag. And the second way of doing this also, it is another way. We use EM for emphasis. It means that when we are making it italics, it means our text we emphasize or emphasizing maybe a point or something. So if we come here and we say EM for emphasis like this and we put our text and save. Our text here, via my italics again because we're emphasizing. So for bold, we have B and we have strong. For italics, we have I or we have EM. Let's go for the last one that I want to show you. it is how to make our text underlined. So just like we did with bold and italics, we use U for making it underlined, and we save. You see, this text is now underlined. That's how we underline text in HTML. We use the tag U. So we have B for bold, we have I for italics, we have U for underline. So this is much about text formatting. Before I end this video, let me give you bonus tags that might work, that you need to use regularly. Yeah, unogona kuramba uchitomashanda kawanda. We have a tag rinonzi BR. It's for line break. Kana uchida kutanga new line uri mukati meparagraph. Let's say toda kuti this let's say don't even know pakati chi. This toda kuti zvopatange itange iri what iri a new line. So what do? We put a break tag, a break tag. So we have these types of tags. If you saw patakashandisa image pepe takatinonzi self-closing. We have these other tags. They are not self-closing. They are actually self-closing, but anonzi ma empty tags, because rakadaro arina takata nonzi machi iwo acho yayo, and atina zvatinorisa mukati, saka riri empty. It's fun kuti ndokanganwa zvinhu zvandinodzidzisa, but anyways, tikangonyora BR akadai so tikaseva, you see this starts to a new line. It means taisa line break. And another tag randoda kudzidzisai ndrekuti zvo maybe we have two paragraphs. Let me just copy this paragraph, or let me come here and copy another text. I will just copy this text up to this and create a new paragraph. When you create paragraphs, it automatically puts it on line break. We have used that line break. You see here, we have used that line break we used here because unenge uchida kutanga mu same paragraph imomo unenge uchida kunotanga mu new line, and but my paragraphs automatically antoenda ku new line. So let's say we want to divide this into two sections. This paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Maybe zvima sections, zvima chapters, and we want to show kuti these two things zviri panhu pakasiyana, and we have a tag rinonzi HR, and ratokwanisa kuisa panapa. Rakangofanana na BR kuti iririchi empty tag. Saka tikaseva that tag, tikaseva so tikadai muri kuona kuti ratisira this line. HR zvakamirira kuti horizontal rule, by the way. It's a rule yatisira panapa tadivide text yeku this side neiri pasasi because of this tag rataisa apa. And so yeah, ndo zvandanchida kudzidzisa mu this video. I'm sure kuti madzidza muchawana pekuzvishandisa zvinhu izvi pakawanda. And so thank you for watching this video. Musakanganwe kushare nekusubscribe to our channel. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.